Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. So basically here the report is very simple, like so I have employee ID, employee name, grade as well as mark. So here my requirement is, so if you notice here, so 101, 102 having and 107 having the same grade. Okay, so these three employees having the grade A, and so 103, 4, so these two employees having so grade B, and 105 and 6 having grade C. So my output is I want to see so overall employees having the grade A. Okay, grade A. So I want to see those names. So for that I am writing the expression. Now if you notice, so 101, 102, 107 having grade A. Now we can see Ramu, Srinu as well as Mahesh. Okay, same thing is I'm trying to separate the employees by comma separator. Even if you notice like 103, 104, so these two employees also having grade B. Now we can see Gopi, comma Venkateshwar. Again, same thing for grade C also. So Arvind, comma Raj. Okay. So likewise, I'm written the expression to get the expected output. So we'll try to understand what kind of expression logic I have implemented to get this expected output. Go to demo measures. Click on, so what is the measure name? Result. So try to zoom in so that we can see clearly. So now we can see, so I'm trying to using the Concatenatex function. So basically, so it will take so table as well as the expression and what kind of delimiter, because if you are trying to combine multiple values, on what basis you want to combine. So for delimiter purpose I'm using comma. You can use any symbol. So based on employee ID. So if you notice here, while doing sorting, I'm trying to do based on the employee ID. Now we can see 101, 102, 107. Okay, it means that based on the employee ID, I'm trying to sort it out. So even you can do ascending order, descending order. It's all about based on the requirement. So likewise, I have written this expression on that. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.